Hey guys, so today we went in search for the cheapest, or should I say, budget 4G smartphone device in the market that won't tear our pockets. And guess what? We found it. This is the Itel A60. It comes with a 5000 mAh, 32 gig ROM, and a 2 gig RAM. Now let's see what we have inside the box. In the box, you have the charging brick, the earpiece, the micro USB cord, the SIM ejector tool, and a plastic case, which I don't really think I'll be needing because look at the phone. Wow, this phone is fearfully and beautifully made. I give it to Itel on this one. Design is nice, and what actually caught my fancy here is the fingerprint embedded in the camera space. And with the unique design of it, you won't really get stains on the body of the phone except the camera space, which I don't think you're going to like that, except you're using the fingerprint. On the left hand side, you have the SIM ejector ports where you have two SIM trays and an accommodation for your memory card, and on the other side you have your volume up and down button and your power button. Now let's see what the phone holds. The phone runs on Android 12, and the notch design, the water drop design here is actually nice, makes the phone look a lot better. And I must say, for a phone that costs 46,000 naira, the camera is actually not bad. Though it's not as good as you'll be expecting, but for a budget phone, I would say they tried. The camera is actually decent. Apart from that, I love the way it looks like. I love the way the visuals are, or should I say the way the arrangements are. It's just easy to access and everything. So I give it to Itel on this phone. They actually did a good job with the design. Like, I'm in love with the design. I'm so not using the case. Nice display to it. So if you're not yet a subscriber here, please subscribe and follow us for more videos like this.